Welcome friends. Today our topic is selection tools from Photoshop. So today we are going to discuss about two major tools. So one is a magic wand tool and other one is the quick selection tool. So magic wand's tool is select a area similar color with a single click, that's it. And we are going to take one image for demonstrate this magic wand tool. So select magic wand tool. So W is a shortcut key. You can select anywhere in the image. It will select the related colors. I am just clicking in the blue color. It will select the blue related colors. If you want to extend, so there is an option called tolerance. If you increase the tolerance, so you can select more related areas with the same color. So now I'm just selecting the background color. It's just cut out the background. It has been removed. So but still there is a white background. I just remove the background by applying the same tool. Yeah, now the image is become very transparent, so you can move the image anywhere. Similarly you can cut your own images also. Now I am going to select a background. So now I am bring the image into this background. So you can drag and drop, you can drag the image. So now with the help of transparent I can resize the image, so can apply. So this is pretty much simple. So you can use any of the image with any of the color. The thing is you have to select the color and cut the image, right? So that's it. Now we move on to the next tool, so that is quick selection tool. So this one is pretty much simple as compared to our earlier tools. It takes a particular color for a reference where that we can select. So now I'm selected the tool. I'm just moving the mouse point wherever I required. I'm just moving. Whenever I move my mouse point cursor and the image is selected. Yeah, this is how the image is being selected. So here we have a option called add selection and subtract selection. Yeah, this is how. So if you are selected any out of area with the help of deselection tool, so on the top of the toolbar we have a deselection and new selection. New selection is by default. So if you want to add selection, you can use add selection. If you want to deselect, you can have the similarly you can deselect the selections. So for that there is option called brush. So if you increase the brush size, so the selection of range is increased. If you decrease the brush size, the selection area is reduced. Initially the brush size was 30, so now it has been decreased 12 because I am going to remove the extra selected areas. Now I am selecting the leg positions. I am not doing exactly, I am just doing rough. I'm just making a rough selection. There's extra areas you can reduce it with the help of deselection tool. I'm just cut the image from the background, moving in a new surface. So if you want the same image in some other location, you can move with the drag and drop option, so you can place it wherever you want. So this is a pretty much easy tool for selecting an image when compared the previous tools which we have seen. So I hope this video is more helpful for you. So thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you all. I will meet you in another video.